Finally, our new pool pump has arrived. It's in the garage right now. This thing is big. It's big, really big. I can't wait to get this thing hooked up. I mean, I don't know how to hook it up. I'm not a certified electrician. There's a lot of, by looking at it, this thing weighs a ton. I don't, stack limit for, thing weighs about 157 pounds. We just got it in the mail today. They delivered it already. It's big. It's a big old pool heater. Got delivered. Swimming pool heater. Swimming pool heat pump. Just got delivered today. It's in the garage right now. That's where I want the guy to put it at. It's a beautiful day outside. We'll get it hooked up tomorrow. I don't know. Anybody coming over tomorrow? Tom Butler might come over. Hook this big old bad boy up, man. That's a big heat pump. Thing weighs a ton. I don't think I would want to pick that up, man. That thing probably weighs 157 pounds. How heavy is that? That fucking thing is heavy. It's on a skid. That's one thing. Yeah, it's on a skid. That thing weighs a ton. It probably weighs 157 pounds. That's pretty heavy. I wanted to put it over here, but I mean that thing. Yeah. I'm thinking Thomas Earl won't be able to lift something like that. No, yeah, I won't be able to lift anything like that. That's too heavy for me. I don't think I can lift anything that heavy. I'd break my back. That thing weighs about 157 pounds. It's big. Gets all the packing material in it and everything. That thing is big. Oh my God, talk about big, man. Oh my God, that thing weighs a ton. We'll get this thing hooked up pretty soon. Before Memorial Day. Memorial Day is only a couple weeks away. I mean, not a couple weeks away. It's a week away. So, my best guess is to get the thing hooked up and running. A nice heat pump. Thing weighs a ton. Thing weighs a ton. I mean, it has straps on it. Some wood here. Oh, we can save that wood. It's a skid. Here's a nice heat pump. It already got delivered. Yeah, it's in the garage now. Good. Put it in the garage. Yeah. I don't want a mess. Oh. God. Thermos. This was the first Gas Grill we ever got many years ago. We still have the box. Oh my God. That box has been up there for so many years. That was our first gas grill. Oh my God. God, I can remember all the stuff we had over the years. God damn, old chairs and everything. Shit. I wonder what's in that box. There's probably nothing in there. Old lawn chairs. My God. That used to go to my old bunk bed. Oh my God. That needs to be cleaned off, but I ain't gonna mess with it. There's a lot of junk up here. Yeah. The heater got delivered. That's a good sign. Okay, that's enough recording. See you later. Bye.